First off, I want to thank everybody for clicking on my video, watching, subscribing, sharing, all that good stuff. But something happened that I had hoped would never happen to me. Was I got in an accident and I got hurt. I've been in accidents before, but I never got hurt. And in this accident, I screwed up my shoulder. So I had to have shoulder surgery done. And I'm a few days out from that. And I don't really feel like doing any videos, and I probably won't be for a while. I think the recovery time on this surgery is a minimum of 8 weeks, so I probably won't be posting any videos within that time, especially if I don't feel up to it. Anyways, I just want to say thanks for watching, subscribing, all that good stuff. Go back and check out some of my older videos, share them with everyone you know. And hopefully I'll be back bigger, faster, harder, longer, stronger,